once went to a place and I really had to take a dump after my flight, and it was a floor toilet, and I had to squat.
So I'm ready.
How was your flight, Kelsey?
Oh god, I can't.
You can.
I barely got my anti
Yeah.
There's AC.
The AC works.
Oh.
We get to see each other in the shot. It's a good thing you're not a minor anymore. You excited to be here?
Of course I am. I'm just excited to see you guys.
I didn't miss you that much.
Let me just go and cry in my corner.
Every year there are 3 Nations Cups run by the UCI. I do feel kind of weird vlogging about a Nations Cup because I feel like I'm supposed to be like serious. And I race better when I'm having fun. These 3 Nations Cups, Jakarta, Cairo, Milton, is how teams will qualify for the Olympics. Those other races that I had vlogs going for.
What is this vlog for exactly?
What? They were minor leagues. They were nothing. They don't matter. All the really fast people are going to be here. We got Australia. We got GB. We got Germany. Malaysia. Wang's going to be here, which I'm really excited about. And this will actually be my first time riding for Cycling Canada's brand new trade team called NCIM. Nobody thought that we were going to do well enough in Portugal or Switzerland to send a trade team here, so they didn't actually have a skin suit ready until like a few days ago. So none of us know what it looks like.
I think they're gonna look amazing.
I've heard they look good. I've heard they look good.
Majority red.
Oh,
That's
cool.
all I know. I think it's gonna be very good looking, and other people are gonna be jealous.
Good looking just like you?
Well,
I'm not riding this today. I don't get the privilege of riding the NCI suit. You wish. I do wish. It's like cooler.
They're gonna look like the Pan Am Games, Commonwealth Games, mostly blue with white sleeves.
It's true. Hey, my lens. What you think the new NCIM kit will look like?
Power Ranger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They have
Like baby blue. The print of a G string.
I've been gaslighting
Video.
people all day.